Good afternoon and welcome to Nora's Dog Training Company. We're here this afternoon with Gibbs and Rich. And what we're going to be demonstrating for you today on video is his ability to understand and respond to his obedience commands, the corrections and the motivations that we give the dogs when we're working with them, and the training equipment that we're using. Rich is using a regular 6-foot web training leash, and he keeps the bulk of that leash folded neatly in his right hand. That leaves the left hand free to give the correction, and the correction that we give here at school is a tug and let go on his training collar, and that is the second piece of equipment that we're using. Gibbs is going to come home with his very own training collar, and you're going to be taught how to use that properly during your follow-up training session. Now, if you notice, Gibbs is sitting very nicely at Rich's left. He was making great eye contact, looking up at him, and the first exercise that we're going to demonstrate for you is heeling. The command is Gibbs heel.
Gibbs heel.
And at this point they take off, and Gibbs has a job to do, and that is to remain even with your left leg. Whether you go very slowly or very quickly, and each time that you stop walking, he's been taught to sit automatically and wait for his next command. So he should always match pace with you, and when you stop, he should sit. Very nice. So that when you're at the campground or you're anywhere with a lot of distraction, he is walking nicely like a gentleman. He's not making you feel or look foolish. And when you stop to talk to someone or stop to cross traffic, he sits nicely without being told to wait for his next command. And the next command that we're going to demonstrate is the stay. The stay is a hand and a voice command. Rich uses the open flat of his left palm right in front of his muzzle and the one-word command to stay. The long sit stay, which you're going to practice indoors as well as outdoors, is for 1 minute, working up to 3 minutes. When Rich returns back to him, he will walk all the way around him, and Gibbs should remain seated till Rich gets back to that original heel position. He gives him a little pat for praise, and they're going to run through that heel, automatic sit, and stay again for you. So if you're going for a brisk walk, he should be walking right with you. If you slow down your pace, he should still stay with you. And if you stop, he sits. Rich leaves him in another sit-stay, and practice your commands indoors as well as outdoors. This time, instead of returning back to him, Rich is going to demonstrate the recall or the come on command. He uses his name, he talks him in, happy voice, and Gibbs comes right in front and sits facing his knees. And that eliminates jumping on you and makes coming to you a pleasure. He should always be praised for a good come command. And they'll demonstrate that come command again for us. Nice automatic sit. Rich is going to bring him back around. He's going to leave him again in a stay. And this time, he's going to call him again, demonstrate that recall. And you hear Rich talk him in. And then he sits very nicely, and then he goes back to heel and back sitting. Beautifully done. Now the next commands that we're going to demonstrate for you are your down commands. And believe me, this obedience, whether he knew it before or whether he didn't, is very important to his mental well-being, and you are maintaining your pack leadership role. He was overly attached to you, overly anxious, and you can see how stable he is here and relaxed. That was your down from a heel position. When Rich returns back to him, he walks all the way around like he did on the sit-stay as an additional distraction, and he'll demonstrate that down from a heel one more time. So with your dog seated at your left, and always have your dog seated before you put him into a down, you take your left open palm straight down toward the ground and the one-word command to down, and then you leave him in a stay. Practice this while you're eating dinner, because I saw that your relationship, and he's very clingy to you, and you want to be able to leave him in a stay. This time Rich calls him in, comes right in front and sits, back to heel. Very good boy. Now the last exercise that we're going to demonstrate for you is your down from a distance. This is a little bit harder exercise because the dog is a distance from you. So your dog is going to be at a sit, and then you're going to leave him in a stay. Rich is walking out in front of him.
Down.
Then he gives him the down.
Down.
Now he didn't go the first time, so Rich said no, gave him a little tug on the training collar, and Gibbs immediately went down. And that is your down from a distance. We think he's done great here at school. He's completely crate trained, absolutely no accidents. Everything that we have gone over with Gibbs and taught him and worked on with him, he's absorbed like a sponge. He's a smart guy. I think you're going to be very, very pleased with your results. And thank you for choosing Nora's Dog Training Company.